Hello everyone! Today we are in beautiful Sanibel, Florida. Take a look at this backyard. A stunning pool, a spa, and lush palms. A true tropical paradise. You might think, what could possibly be improved here? But here is the transformation. We've installed more than just a screen. We've built a massive 2-story screen cage that completely changes the experience. The standout feature of this project is its height. Our goal was to preserve the open feel and the view of these gorgeous palms. That's why we went with a 2-story design. It feels incredibly airy from the inside and perfectly complements the home's architecture. Let's step inside. Now the owners don't have to worry about cleaning the pool after every gust of wind. The panoramic screens keep the debris out. And of course, being in Sanibel, the bug protection is a game changer. But the best part happens after sunset. We integrated a custom lighting system into the structure, turning this area into a cozy nighttime lounge. This project is a perfect blend of aesthetics and practicality. If you want to spend your time relaxing instead of cleaning, give us a call. Screen Factory, Florida. We build spaces you'll never want to leave.